Friends, today we are going to play this Brainvita game. This is really a good game for the individual person. So there are 4 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to play this game anti-clockwise. And we have to finish one set, second set, third set, and then we'll go to fourth set. So let's start. So the first one will be in the middle. And this marble we are not going to take it out till the last. Now we are done with the 2 sets. Now we'll go to third one. Now third one is also done. Let's go to fourth one. Now middle still is there only. Now at the last we will take this middle one. So it is done.